Right, listen up, you economically illiterate gremlins. Today we're breaking down by Adam Smith, the godfather of capitalism. And let me tell you, he would be absolutely furious if he saw the nonsense you're calling entrepreneurship today. You lot think capitalism is just about getting rich quick, exploiting the masses and retiring to your private island after a successful IPO. You think Adam Smith is some kind of deity for the greedy and incompetent? Well, I've got news for you. You're about as close to understanding real capitalism as a donkey is to winning the Grand National. Chapter 1, you bunch of incompetent buffoons. Division of labour. Smith made it crystal clear. Specialisation leads to massive gains in productivity. You think you can be a one-man army, handling everything from marketing to product development? You're the CEO, the CMO, the head of vibes, and you haven't even shipped a bloody product. This isn't MasterChef. You can't win with a one-man show. Get a grip and delegate. This isn't hustle culture. It's economic suicide. You need to focus on your strengths and delegate the rest. Hire a team of experts who can actually execute your vision instead of trying to do everything yourself and ending up with a half-baked product and a nervous breakdown. Oh, but shouldn't we all just hold hands and sing Kumbaya, sharing everything we have in a beautiful display of socialist utopia? Bollocks. Smith understood that self-interest is the engine of prosperity. When individuals pursue their own goals, ethically, I might add, not by scamming people with dodgy NFTs, the entire bloody system benefits. You think you're some kind of revolutionary, building a non-profit that sells artisanal staplers? You're not disrupting capitalism, you're running it straight into the ground. Listen, there's nothing wrong with wanting to make money. In fact, it's the driving force of innovation and progress. Serve others by serving yourself. Become so indispensable, so bloody brilliant that people are throwing money at you for your products and services. Free markets, you imbeciles. It's all there in black and white. Adam Smith made it abundantly clear. Markets are far better at allocating resources than any government bureaucrat with a spreadsheet and a god complex. But you lot, you think you can engineer a perfectly efficient economy with enough regulations and price controls? Ever wonder why there's no innovation in the DMV? That's why. The invisible hand of the market, when left to its own devices, guides resources to their most valuable uses. It rewards efficiency, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Trust the market, not the bureaucrats. It's a jungle out there, not a kindergarten playground. Chapter 4, competition keeps you honest. Competition. It's the lifeblood of capitalism. It drives quality up and prices down. It forces you to innovate or die. But you lot, you're terrified of a little competition. You want to be the only fish in the pond, even if it means your customers are stuck with a substandard product. Newsflash. Competition doesn't kill weak businesses, it exposes them. If your business model can't handle a little rivalry, then it deserves to fail. You don't need a monopoly. You need a better product. You need to be faster, cheaper, and more innovative than the competition. Embrace the challenge. Let the competition push you to be your best. Chapter 5. The invisible hand is not a magic wand. The invisible hand. Everyone loves to talk about the bloody invisible hand, but it's not some magical force that guarantees success, you incompetent numpties. It's a metaphor, you donkeys, a metaphor. It only works when people act rationally in a functional market. You can't just launch a half-baked product, throw some glitter on it and expect the invisible hand to magically make you a billionaire. The market rewards value, innovation and hard work. So stop praying to the invisible hand and start putting in the bloody work. Build a great product, treat your customers right, and adapt to the ever-changing market. Chapter 6. Wealth comes from productivity, not printing money. Real wealth comes from production, not printing money. Adam Smith understood this fundamental truth. You create wealth by producing goods and services that people actually want and are willing to pay for. It's not about financial engineering, crypto scams, or manipulating the stock market. Wealth isn't a vibe, you delusional millennials. It's output, value, and efficiency. So put down your phones, step away from the avocado toast, and get to work. Capitalism isn't broken. Your understanding of it is. Right, let's sum up, shall we? Specialize and delegate. Self-interest is good when paired with competence. Let the market work, stop trying to fix it with spreadsheets. Compete or get eaten. The invisible hand is not a bailout, and real wealth comes from real productivity. Like the video before, your next pitch includes synergy and Web 5. Subscribe if you want to stop embarrassing yourself economically, and for God's sake, comment your worst economic take. I need material for my next breakdown. Capitalism isn't broken, your understanding of it is.